Sorry, baby. Are we done? I'm done. I've had enough now.
Right, can I have a look at your phone and see if I can figure out
One sec. You can.